Hello, and welcome back to the Kentucky Career Center's Assistive Technology Learning Portal. This video is part of our continuing series on the built-in accessibility features of the Microsoft Ease of Access Center. In this installment, we'll take a look at two of the vision features found under Ease of Access, the color filters and high contrast tools. Both of these tools are very simple to use. Let's dive right in with color filters. To begin, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click the gear icon to enter the Settings menu. Then choose Ease of Access. In the left column, under the Vision section, you'll find the Color Filters tab. The first control on this page is a toggle switch that switches color filters on and off. The next control is a checkbox that allows you to turn on a shortcut key for color filters. If you've checked this box, you can turn the filters on and off by pressing and holding the Windows key, Control, and the letter C on your keyboard. Once we've turned on the color filter, we have 6 different options for filters to use. The circle at the bottom of the screen gives you a preview of what the colors will look like using the filter. Let's take a look at each of the filters and see what they do. The inverted filter reduces eye strain by making the screen dark with light writing instead of the other way around. This is good for people who get headaches easily as well because it reduces the bright colors on the screen. Many computer programmers and other people who work on computers all day long prefer the inverted color scheme for these reasons. Next, we have the grayscale filter. If you get distracted by all of the bright colors and graphics on your computer, then the grayscale filter might be the right solution. It very simply converts our entire computer screen to black and white. If you need the lack of color, but you still like the darker inverted mode, there's an option here for that as well, called Grayscale Inverted. There are 3 additional color filters built into Windows that help users with color blindness to be able to see and differentiate colors more easily. The first option is for people who are red-green colorblind and have trouble seeing green. The second option is also for people with red-green color blindness, but for those who struggle to see red. More than 99% of colorblind people fall into one of these red-green categories. The final filter is for an altogether different type of color blindness, referred to as blue-yellow color blindness. Now that we've seen how the Color Filters tool works, let's take a look at the High Contrast tab. Again, on the left, under Vision, click High Contrast. High contrast makes the screen easier to read and view by reducing the number of colors on the screen. The first control on this page is a toggle switch to turn high contrast mode on or off. You can also use the keyboard shortcut by holding down Alt, the left Shift key, and the Print Screen button. Next, you have the option to choose a theme from the drop-down menu. Choose the theme that you find easiest to see. High contrast number 1 uses yellow, green, and purple colors. High contrast number 2 uses green, purple, and blue. High contrast black uses white, yellow, and green colors. High contrast white uses black, blue, and red. Once you have selected your theme, you can make changes to the theme colors. You can change the color of the text, hyperlinks, disabled text, selected text, button text, and the color of the background. Just click the colored rectangle next to the element that you want to change. Windows will bring up a color picker and allow you to select any color to replace the original one. Click Done. Once you've finished making changes, click the Apply button at the bottom of the page. Windows will give you the option to save your color filter as a theme. In this case, we'll enter the name Orange and click Save. And that wraps up this video on the color filters and high contrast tools in the Windows Ease of Access Center. These tools can help reduce eye strain and help those with color blindness to see the screen more easily. Be sure to check out our Learning Portal website for more videos on the tools in the built-in Microsoft Ease of Access Center. Thanks for watching.